Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You just need to check my video description for this link. Scroll down and go to files and check the manual download option and check the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into this site guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account. Right click on the downloaded file and select vendor and select extract to option. Open the extracted folder, copy this file. So open the readme and here you can able to see the file path. As you can see, you just need to paste in here. Just copy the pack file and then navigate to the game folder. After you are in the game folder, you just need to open the midnight folder, content folder, packs folder, paste the file we copied. And now just to close stuff here and enjoy the mod guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.